So good day. In this video, I will explain the Python program used to clean the hotel booking datasets and handle missing values using statistical techniques and machine learning. So the main goal of this code is to prepare the dataset for analysis by filling missing values and predicting important variables such as booking price and room service cost using linear regression. So first is we need to import the libraries. So Panda is used for data manipulation and working with datasets, while this NumPy here is used to help with numerical operations, and linear uh, regression from scikit-learn is used to build the regression models that will predict missing values in the datasets. So this is the Python libraries here. Mm, here here I highlighted this, and then proceed to the checking missing values. So before cleaning the data, the program checks for missing values in each column here. So is now original missing here. So here. Mhm. So is now function identifies missing data, and some counts how many missing values exist in each column. This helps us understand which variables needs to be cleaned. So for loading the dataset, in this step, the dataset name hotel booking dataset here. Oh my god. Wait. Here is loaded into a pandas data frame called df here, df. A data frame is a table-like structure that allows you to easily analyze and manipulate data. So we proceed to cleaning categorical variables here. So the program cleans categorical variables such as room type, MCT, missing values. The missing values filled using the mode which most frequently occurring value. The column. This method is commonly used for categorical data. It preserves the most typical category. D so X is to find the DF here, the data frame. As we can see, there are nuns are the missing. These are the missing, the none. And after that, we need to clean the numerical variables. For numerical variables, the programs use Midjan to fill in values. Fill in values here, here. Here is for the numerical values because it less affected by extreme values or outliers. This code loops through each numerical column, replace missing values with median of that column. Here. Here, our customer age. And then for encoding categorical variables, we need to find the df encoded. Df encoded here. Here. These machine learning models cannot process text categories directly. Therefore, the program converts categorical variables into numeric format using one-hot encoding to get dummies here. Get dummies. Functions creates binary column for each category. Each category. Here, these are the missing values. As we can see, these are the missing values in our data set. And then for preparing data regression, this data set is divided into two groups: the training data and the testing data. Here, so when we talk about training data, rows where the booking price is known. Booking price, where's the booking price here? Here, booking price is known, and the testing data is the rows where the booking price is missing. Booking price is missing. Here, or the room service cost. And then in the training the regression model, we need to find the X here. It's here we define the predictor variables and the target variable, or here the X train contains the features used for prediction, while the Y train contains the target variable, which is the booking price. No. Booking price here, because as you can see there are a lot of missing. And then for predicting missing book prices, after training model, the program predicts missing booking price. The predict function generates estimated values which replace the missing entries in the data set. Extend service. We need to run all of this to check so that we can predict missing booking prices. So after we predict the missing booking price, let's proceed to the predicting room service cost. So after filling the booking price values, the program repeats the similar process to estimate missing room service cost. Another regression model is trained using available data to predict missing values. Here, as we can see in the data frame, as you can see they're all filled up and there is no missing. My God. And then for the final check, finally the program checks the dataset again to confirm that all missing values have been handled successfully. So for the final check, we need to include this, all of the code here, to check if all of the datasets are all filled up and no missing. Oh my God. Check the data frame. So there's no missing. So that's all. Thank you. So after we predict the missing booking price, let's proceed to the predicting room service cost. So after filling the booking price values, the program repeats the similar process to estimate missing room service cost. Another regression model is trained using available data to predict missing values. Here, as we can see in the data frame, So you can see they're all filled up and there is no missing. My God. And then for the final check, finally the program checks the dataset again to confirm that all missing values have been handled successfully. So for the final check, we need to include this. All of the code here to check if all of the datasets are all filled up and no missing. Oh my god. Check the data frame. So there's no missing. So that's all. Thank you.